And I start with, hey guys, what's popping? What else did I say, boy? What did I do? Hey guys, what's popping? So in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how I was able to get this look using this fake Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette. Also, I'm happy to mention that this video is sponsored by STEPHIE'S boutique, where she carries clothes for all occasions. There's loungewear, there's sleepwear, there's dresses, tops, bottoms, slippers, shoes, jewelry, like the works. They are all affordable, they are gorgeous. I absolutely love it. So let me get into this fake palette now, boy. Keep on watching.
There must be no fakery in the bakery. If you're saying that you're selling currants roll, make sure that there's currants in the roll.
We're gonna be looking at this fake Huda Beauty palette. I made sure to leave the price tag on so y'all can see. All you see that day? $100. And to be honest, I feel like palettes that are not real should not cross $100. Is it that James Charles palette that I paid 100 and something? 200? How much? I don't even remember how much I paid for it. That was expensive. This expensive. Anyways, we come in bubble wrap so we could pop. Okay. I'm done. This is the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette. Listen, the first thing we're going to do to prove the falsification of this palette is the price. Let me go on Huda Beauty website for y'all and show you the price for it online. First thing on the list, Mercury Retrograde eyeshadow palette. Look at right here. I'll let you all see it for all itself. $67. Let me work out the maths. What if we say $67 multiplied by 6.8? That is already $455.60. And then you had to pay for shipping. You had to pay to clear it. To be honest, I know stores, online stores down here, they would legit be multiplying the price of this thing online by 10. Straight up by 10. And you're paying $670 for this.
What?
$650 or $600 for the least for this palette. And listen to me, $100. Now I need to see if this thing could even give me $100 worth of good eyeshadow. Immediately, you're already getting that cheap perfume, that very strong perfume smell from the palette. I do not, to be honest, I do not like it, but there's this way. I feel like I need to open from the right side of the palette and not the left side. Do not ask me why I do that. I just always do that. But listen to me, this thing having a real weight, you know. I need to let you all know that this is the same place I got my James palette and the same place I got my Take Me Home. You see, the Take Me Home was $35. This should be $35 too. Oh gosh. Papi show me put it for $75, not $100. Introducing the Huda Beauty new nude eyeshadow palette. Huda's fresh take on the nude look.
18 gorgeous shades ranging from cool to warm tones, including 10 buttery mattes that blend seamlessly with your skin.
4 multi-reflective shadows with a versatile pearl to iridescent finish. 2 pressed glitters for an opulent touch. 1 pressed pearl for a velvety shine. 1 concealer base to make your shadows pop.
Oh God, listen. Real antics for this palette, you know. Oh my gosh, that is why it is carrying so much weight. The thing coming with a mirror. It coming with a mirror, you know. Talk to me nice. The palette is telling me here.
Well.
Oh, let's see how nice. It actually looks really nice, but I cannot stand the smell for the life of me. we had to do a real nice look for this here, you know. Alright. Wood. So apparently the mirror kind of smoky. It kind of cloudy. But like I could take this palette with me wherever I go.
Look.
Travel friendly. Hello. Okay. I see where the extra $25 coming. It's for the mirror, Ole. It's for the mirror. Now that my eyes are set, we're gonna dip into this palette. I think I'm gonna start with Vortex first. That is the darkest shade in the palette. I think I'm gonna do a little cut crease something because I'm trying to get as much colors as possible onto my eyes to see how they look. At the same time, I'm real hoping not to screw this up. Like, pray for me, guys. Wow. Whoa. I don't ever go into these palettes with my hopes up high. But this is also the darkest shade, so it might be easy. Okay. I'm gonna just blend this out. Blend it out just a little bit. Then I'm gonna go in with another shade. I wanna go in with Karma. That is this shade right here. Okay, Karma. I wanna tell a story with the shades I use. So I've jumped into this fake Huda Beauty Vortex. And so far, we're getting good karma. All the time. Shazam! I'm gonna blend this out. All right, then I'm going to just add this light shade Utopia to help give a really nice blown out look. I was expecting Utopia, since it has that type of yellowish undertone, I was expecting a little yellow-ish vibe. Okay, so since Karma started to fade, let me go back in with it, strengthen it up a bit more. Don't want it to disappear. What do you guys think? Time for me to do the next eye and cut it one time so we can go into the rest of good stuff. Oh.
Cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it.
Now that we're back with our eyes cut, we can move on to the rest of this look. I think the next color I want to dip into is Haze. That is this really mint blue. Now, I know I feel like I'm taking a real big risk dip into a shade like that, considering the palette entry. But
something about this doesn't sit right in my spirit.
We're gonna take a chance. I feel like if I cannot do any most but small thing. Did I tell you guys how much I can't stand the smell of this thing?
Duh.
But oh my goodness, y'all see how this blue is showing up? Damn. And I did not think this of all shades would show up this much. Okay, Kush / Huda. All right. Listen to me. For a palette that's fake, it's saying real thing, eh? Wow. Look at this. People, or they can speak to me. No, you can't. All right, time for me to go into another shade. What is the next shade I want to go into? I think I'm going to go into Galaxy. So the haze, not too hazy enough to blind me, but we're going to get a little bit galactic. Do I want galactic or do I want frazzled? I think I want galactic. Wow. Oh my gosh. You know what? I want to go in with ultraviolet on the end. I'm feeling ultraviolet on the end. Why didn't I use Nebula? Nah. I want ultraviolet. I want a little color. Oh my goodness. Listen. I don't know about you, but I'm flabbergasted. For real, for real. What is happening here? I just want to neaten up where any of these shimmer shades would have come in the crease here. I want this to be clean and crisp. Wow, I cannot believe it. I like that it's coming out here because this is whole Mercury Retrograde. I feel I want a little galactic vibes going on, so I want it to look dispersed onto my skin. So what I'm gonna do is complete the rest of my face and come back and I don't know, see how we could give into this whole Mercury Retrograde Huda / Kush type vibe, right? I'll be back. I must say I'm absolutely loving the end result. I really added these stars to get this whole starry night type vibe, just to complement Mercury Retrograde, Galaxy, blah blah blah. I would have added Haze, Galaxy, Utopia, Ultraviolet. I added a little bit of Supermoon in my inner corner, Karma, Vortex, and I was like, you know what, since we're dealing with all of that, let me drain some stars inside of there. I must say I absolutely love it. Yes. Listen, I am feeling my whole self. You see this Afro puff I got from Confidence by BABYGEM. This is the medium-sized one. And let me tell you, it feels real. And it looking like it's mine. I love that. It looked like if it grew out my hand, you know, I sleep overnight and I got this size puff. I love it. There are different sizes. There's small, medium, and large. I think you can pre-order this because she just wanted to see, you know, what kind of vibe this Afro puff was giving. And listen to me, it's giving me brown skin girl. I woke up like this. Well, hair vibes. And this set that I'm wearing here is from STEPHIE'S boutique. I absolutely love this 3-piece set. I mean, we're going to go back outside and you want to look cute, you want to look fly, and you don't want to break the bank while you do so. So I will link STEPHIE'S in my description. All right, guys.
See ya. Bye.